What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Guess we're just gonna do a little bit of an update. I apologize for leaving you guys on a cliffhanger. I didn't record putting on the front bash bar because that show was crazy. So let's go check it out. What we got? So I had a really hard time putting on the front bash bar because of the accident that I had. I talked about in the last video. But there is the front bash bar is on. I apologize for not recording the install of it, but yeah, it was a headache. So we gotta do what I'm planning on doing, hopefully if I have time, is to pull off all the intercooler piping, the exhaust manifold. I removed the water pump already so it can leak out more of the coolant. I do plan on pulling out the power steering pump so I can fix, because I do have a power steering leak. Probably gonna replace the hoses and the lines so that we don't have all this freaking gunk. As you can see here, a lot of gunk built up from the power steering leaking, and that's why it's mainly on the right side. Oh, well, left side of the engine, but right side looking at it. So yeah, that's what we got planned. Yeah, you can tell that this power steering hoses, yeah, it's pretty bad. So I've been leaking power steering for quite some time, but you know, I just kept putting it off the side, just kept refilling it, said fuck it, let's keep going. But now, since I'm doing this big of a job, I might as well finally fix it. Got a lot of other couple plans, like I'm gonna delete the ABS module. I'm gonna get the GK Tech ABS delete. Hopefully it comes in on time. Probably won't, but you know, cross your fingers and shit like that. So yeah. So I decided I'm just gonna work on top for now. Yeah, I still got the coolant like leaking out. Yeah, I don't feel like going under the car right now because I actually have something else to do later. But yeah, we're gonna go pull off the power steering reservoir and the power steering pump and hoses, whatever hoses I can reach from here. All right, let's get it. that's all I got for today. As you can see, it's fucking filthy, and yeah, fix your leaks, guys. So can help you find out what's actually leaking on your car. It's kind of hard to tell what exactly is leaking when all the power steering fluid or the ATF gunked up this entire side. So that's it for now. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll check you out next video. What's up, guys? Sorry for leaving you on a little bit of a cliffhanger, but thought I'd show you a little bit. I did something to the daily, put a little leveling kit on it. Pretty alright. I gotta head to work.